In Ghana, telecom prepaid consumers now have access to their billing information after any mobile activity. All MNOs, MTN, Vodafone, Airtel, Tigo, Glo, and Expresso send billing feedback messages (BFM) using unstructured supplementary service data (USSD), whereby every prepaid subscriber, after every billable transaction, whether voice or data, will receive a message detailing the duration, rate per minute, cost of the transaction, and credit balance.
2 years back, we used to experience credit management issues, overbilling, and other billing related issues. With BMF, we can now track the billing for transactions easily. The good thing is that these messages are not stored on our mobile devices.
New billing message ya ben. Abua me papa nanse me yakora. Me hu ni aka wo so. Eni ni free so. No SCCA bia NCA me damase.
The National Communications Authority received an award in 2016 for the Best ICT Policy and Regulatory Initiative on Billing Feedback System from the Commonwealth Telecommunications Organization. National Communications Authority, Communications for Development.
One of our core mandates at the National Communications Authority is to protect the interests of consumers when it comes to quality of service, value for money, or create a platform for consumer complaint redress.
Disagreements over billing and related issues top the list of complaints the National Communications Authority (NCA) receives on its complaint desk. Various surveys conducted by the authority also indicate that it is the #1 issue consumers want redressed from the regulators on need to ensure effective control on both sides. Enshrined in the law establishing the NCA is a directive that mandates the authority to establish and monitor the implementation of national communication standards and ensure compliance, as well as issue guidelines and standards to protect consumers and offer them a good quality of service.
Consumer billing is one of the most important things that the NCA does as a regulator, one of our very key mandates. This is because the services that we regulate have consumers who use the service. And once a consumer uses a service is paid for, and the consumer expects that he or she is billed according to the service that he has or she has used. So consumers are really particular about that billing. They want to have control over their spend when it comes to communication services. And for us as the NCA, we are also concerned because we need to be able to create an environment of trust and transparency between the consumer and the service provider. Secondly, we are also worried or concerned with billing because if consumers or the operators do not bill accurately, they are not able to recoup their investments and then feed back into the operations.
How do consumers feel about how they are billed?
I have about 3 networks. I love the first one. Let me say that because the way they bill me at some point, I don't feel they are cheating me or anything like that. But the second one, I tell you, the minute I load my credit and bundle now and just on my data, everything is gone.
I have 2 networks though. The other one, it's very good for me, especially when it comes to my internet browsing and all that. It's good for me. But the other one, I don't normally use it because the deductions of the credits and all that is very expensive for me.
My network, I mean, you see, they are bad. If you say me talk to the crowd, me to be the free fee, me to be the fair from your customers, and I'll be about 3 days, 4 days. na fiansa catch me say bia me credit or me santo.
The directives that the NCA gives to operators on billing, we try and verify that these are adhered to in a number of ways. First of all, we have what we call the automated billing verification system. This is a system where the NCA installs SIMs. We actually